everyone, it's Becca. Welcome back to my channel. It's been a long time since I have filmed, and even longer since I've actually uploaded a video. I actually had filmed a while back and I just never got around to uploading it, so I apologize about that. But exciting news to share. I am going to grad school in the fall. I'm very excited about that. 2-year master's program for industrial organizational psychology. You can tell I haven't filmed in a while because I'm stumbling over my words, but I'm super excited about that. It's definitely what I've wanted, and it's a program I'm excited about, so that is some exciting news. But I did just want to film this video. I'm so behind on like my Ipsies, my Sephora plays. Honestly, I've been questioning even if I want to still get those. I don't know, let me know your thoughts, but I'm like, I just have so many products right now. It's just too much to handle, and my room is an absolute disaster. I have no makeup on. I just came, it's my weekend off. I just came from seeing Ocean's 8 in theaters. It was actually a really good movie. I recommend you go see it. There are a lot of good movies out. But anyway, this is my FabFitFun, my summer edition. The box is just, whoa, as I almost throw it, is just absolutely gorgeous. I'll show you a little of that too. And it says, in support of Wildlife Conservation Society. I mean, it's absolutely gorgeous. Little woman there too. Just I'm really loving these boxes. I can't believe I didn't get them sooner, but I will open it up. I think a lot of them I did pick, so you can pick certain products. They give you like a choice between two, and a lot of them I was kind of torn on. So I did just kind of say surprise me on most of them, and then the other ones will be surprises as well. I'm currently paying just for like the I get charged every time a box is going to come to me, but I'm thinking of just doing the yearly one because this is just one kind of charge and I don't have to worry about it. And that one, you get to pick like more things with that, more choices, I guess. So anyway, enough talking. It says FabFitFun Taste of Summer. And I just love all the packaging. It's very nice. So here is the little booklet. Great, and I believe it does tell me about the products inside. And then it says, I love the little sticker. Oh, something falls out. Okay, I'm going to stop showing the box. But yeah, I do love the sticker here. It says share to win, hashtag FabFitFun. Anyway, this first product that just fell out of here, I'm glad it wasn't breakable. This is the Elemis Papaya Enzyme Peel. Advanced Skincare, 50 milliliters, 1.6 fluid ounces. Defined by nature, led by science. Exfoliate and purify tired, lackluster skin. That does happen to my skin, especially coming out of the winter. Non-abrasive fruit enzymes work to leave skin soft, revitalized, and radiant. Apply for 10 minutes, rinse off with lukewarm water. Honestly, sounds right up my alley. Does have a little protective seal, but I do want to smell it. Ooh, it does smell like papaya. Yeah, it smells really good. Okay, that is exciting. Now let's open up into the rest of the box. Love the little crinkle paper. Next thing, let's pull it out. Whoops. Okay, looks like a lot of products this time around, like a lot of body or, you know, that sort of thing. So this is the Habonaria Marianella Hawaiian Black Lava Body Caviar with Charcoal. Well, I think I remember this being an option. And it says, our new Body Caviar Premium Oil and Salt Body Scrub will truly revolutionize your skin. We welcome you to a new level of moisture and luxurious pampered softness. Okay, so mix it so the oils and salts combine. And then in the bath or shower, apply it and massage it all over. Wet body with hands, gently scrub, rinse off, pat dry. Cool. I love these kind of scrubs, these moisturizing ones. Okay, and another protective seal. Ooh, it's strong. It smells kind of like gingerbread. Maybe I was imagining that. Herbally, maybe? So I'm excited to play around with that. And you get 7.25 ounces. Okay. Next thing in here, oh, I recognize this packaging because, what's the brand? This is SPF 50 Classic Face Sport. Oh, it's the Kula Classic Sunscreen White Tea Moisturizer. Organic Sun Care Broad Spectrum SPF 50. That's cool. That's actually good going into this into the summer. I've kind of been looking for a new moisturizer actually, and I love that it does have that SPF. It's organic. That's kind of cool. And it's sport. Oh, does that mean it like really stays on? It's just kind of like a white clear. Ooh, it kind of feels like a gel though. It sinks in really fast, feels cooling. It does smell like white tea. Hopefully that won't irritate my skin. I love the little cap here. Nice packaging. It says apply liberally 15 minutes before sun exposure, reapply after 80 minutes of swimming or sweating, immediately after towel drying, and at least every 2 hours. Okay, so I don't know if they necessarily mean it. That is sport, so maybe it is kind of more to wear in your face, like not under makeup. I don't know. But that is cool. Very practical for this time of year. The next thing, I told you a lot of products, and there, we're focused. This is the Vasanti Brighten Up Enzymatic Face Rejuvenator. Exfoliating cleanser enriched with papaya, microcrystals, and aloe. Okay, so another exfoliator, papaya exfoliator. That's kind of weird that I got two. I mean, enzyme peel, and now this is an enzyme cleanser. Huh. Let's see, does this have a seal? No, this one doesn't. This one smells good too, I guess, but a lot of products, like I was saying. Okay, now this is Pierone Imports, from Pierone Imports. Ooh, and it's a little dish. Oh, I'm excited about this. Oh, I love that. It's kind of like a marbleized with, I think it is gold around it. I'm not a huge gold person. But yeah, that's kind of cool. I love little dishes. I can always find uses for this. So yeah, a little dish. That's kind of cool. Not like the prettiest ever, but hey, I'm excited about that. That's awesome. I will definitely find a use for that, like I said. Okay. Oh, this looks like something I already have. The Foreo, made in China. Yeah, the Luna Fofo Mint. Is that the color? The Foreo Luna Fofo. Smart Beauty Coach Facial Cleansing Brush. Yeah, like I have a pink one of these. Maybe it's a little smaller. Download on the App Store. Get smart about your skin. Know it. Perfect it. Love it. Measures. Oh, wait, this is really cool. It measures skin moisture, reveals skin age, customizes cleansing routine, app records progress, AAA battery included. That's cool. I mean, who knows if it actually does all that, but that's kind of super, super cool. Oh, I didn't realize it really was smart. Okay, so I definitely don't have this, and I bet this is really expensive. Oh, I'm sorry. I've been talking, and I didn't notice this. This is the TARDIS Pro Glow Highlight and Contour Palette. I've been thinking about getting this for like forever, and I've just never done it, which is really, it kind of works to my benefit. Oh, I love this soft matte feel. Opens up like this, and there's the other side. My battery is low. We will focus here. There we go. This is super exciting. Okay, because like I said, I think only a few of these I can use. Oh, these colors. Oh, and it smells like chocolate. So Strobe, Stunner, Sculpt. These are like a butter. There's the cream one. And fire. Oh my gosh, this is so exciting. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. And then I'll do the last swatch. That one was a little gritty. Wow, wow, wow. Ooh, I'm very excited about that. Like I said, I've thought about getting this like a million times and I just never did. I was like, oh, if it goes on sale or this and that, if someone gifted it to me, I would be happy to have it. So hey, look at that. And then a little straw. It says, this straw saves marine life. Visit givesip.us. Okay. Oh, and it looks like it has little like turtles or something. Maybe because it's paper, not plastic. And then the last thing in here looks like a makeup bag. I think I got a makeup bag last time, and I have a million makeup bags, but I love them. Okay, here it is. Oh, again, I think this was one I could pick. And it says Yumi Kim. Actually looks like a pretty big bag. There we go. And then the top looks like it zips too. It unzips, which then have this top compartment here. It says, a gift for you, $50. Enjoy $50 off your purchase of $200 at yumikim.com. Well, I don't think I'll be purchasing that much, but this is for your brushes and it covers them. I like that. And then a zippered compartment. And then it does have like a little handle at the top. And then this bigger compartment. And it feels really well made. Like the colors necessarily aren't my favorite, but it's pretty classic. So that is really cool. Let's look about how much all of this is. Yeah, I wish I got the other print. The other print was this one. Would have liked that one more, but that's okay. So that's $58. This train case is large enough to store your favorite beauty products and features 2 separate compartments with zipper closures so you can keep things organized. Consolidate your liquids by using contact lens cases to hold your foundation, night cream, or hair serum. That is a good tip. So it's either that or a towel, and I already have a lot of towels, and a $55 towel, yeah, right. So that is cool. Then the next was the TARDIS Pro Glow Highlighting Palette that I got, or the TARDIS Pro To Go Palette and Sex Kitten Liquid Liner. Yeah, I'm excited that I got the Pro Glow because, like I said, I have been wanting that. And then, and you could have selected that if you had Select. And the other one you could have selected if you had Select was the Orlando Pitta Play Atmos Shield Hair Protectant Treatment Spray. Or what I got was the Elemis Papaya Enzyme Peel. By the way, the Pro Glow was $45. The alternative together was $43. And then that Orlando one that I didn't get, the hair thing, was $34. The one I got is $45, and it says apply the peel to clean towel dried skin and leave on for 10 to 15 minutes. It will feel like a heavy cream, not like a standard mask, and can be rinsed off with lukewarm water. Cool. And then you could have gotten, I got the Vasanti Bright Up Enzymatic Face Rejuvenator for $29. Can use it 3 to 5 times a week. Or could have gotten the Sports Loop Resistant Band. Yeah, I wouldn't really use that. Or the Minor History Postscript Wallet. Meh. I don't necessarily know if I would use that either, so that one's kind of a draw there. And the other one, I do remember seeing this. I could have gotten the Earthu 2EO, You and Me ring for $55. But it was gold plated. Gold plated, yeah, no. And then it had pearls, but I don't know, it just kind of looked fake for me in the picture. So what I got was the Habaneria Marinella, I'm butchering that, the Hawaiian Black Lava Body Caviar for $48. Okay. Or the Aromatherapy Associates De-Stress Muscle Gel, which I got a muscle gel last time. Oh, and then this is an exclusive launch for the Foreo Luna Fofo. You're one of the first to get your hands on Foreo's newest revolutionary device. It is powered by Bluetooth technology and advanced skin sensors to create a totally personalized profile, which is sent straight to the newly launched Foreo Luna app. Cool. $89. Yeah, I knew that was going to be expensive. Avoid clay or grainy cleansers as they may damage the silicone touch points. Okay, good to know. Avoid clay and grainy cleansers. So nothing with exfoliators, I guess. And then okay, so I guess everyone got these ones. The Coola Face Sports White Tea Moisturizer, $32. Cool. It's 80-minute water-resistant formula. Is made with 70% organic ingredients, only 70. So you can splash, swim, and soak up the sun, worry-free. And then the Pure One Imports Marble Ring Dish. Oh, it's a ring dish. You can use it for anything, though. That's $14.99. Place near your kitchen sink so you can take off your rings before doing dishes. That is kind of cool. That would look good in a kitchen. Yeah, it can be a catch-all for rings, keys, or loose change. It's timeless marble design and golden trim will glam up any part of your home. I am very excited about this box. Like I said, I'm always excited. Oh, cool. And then they have like little tips if you got the resistance band on how to use it. All these different like meals and recipes. This is just like a cool little book. Oh, it talks about the Luna Fofo tips. Definitely gonna read that. Talks about what's on the cover and the places you'll go with all of this. How you can take everything. Oh, my cat wants to get in. Got some percent offs. Ferrero-ish, Summer and Rose, Tarte, 10 off of 60, use Fab 10. Basically a lot of the places that had products in here. So yeah, honestly, like I said, I always love these boxes. I think they're a great deal, and you know, there are products that I've always wanted here, like the Tarte thing, then things I would have never thought of. You can customize a little bit, but it's still a little bit of a surprise. I honestly love these. It's only 4 times a year, so it's not like you're inundated with new products like every month, and you get your money's worth. Let me count up how much that was worth. Okay, so that was a total of $360.99. I believe I got all of those there, so I only paid, what, like $50 for this, so honestly, can't rave enough about FabFitFun. This is my 3rd box, I believe, and it's just absolutely amazing. So, hope you guys are all doing well. Hope you didn't mind the very casual nature of this video. Hope to post this fairly soon. I hope, fingers crossed, but my cat really wants to get in my room, so I'll leave it at that, but I hope you guys are all doing well, and until next time, bye everyone.